Alright, in front of me I have a challenge lock. It says T3R. This was sent to me from Tumbl3r, and I haven't had a chance to pick it on camera, so I was going to have a go at it. It's actually a pretty good challenge lock. Didn't come with a key, which is fine. It's a Y1 keyway. It's only a 5-pin lock. For a 5-pin lock, it's actually pretty difficult. I'm just going to be using a standard hook. And I know I get all types of clicks and false sets out of this thing, but it's a pretty difficult pick. Nice counter rotation. And then at some point it does get kind of jammed up. And I have to kind of twist it back. Now I got a really deep false set. I'm thinking there's really deep spools in here. You know, at this point I really don't know what the hell's going on. It's kind of seized up on me. Not really getting any counter rotation. Alright, let me get a better view here. Doesn't look like it's in a full set because the top is kind of to the right a little bit. You know, the marks on the top. So this is actually a really deep full set. I'll try. There we go. I had to manually turn it back. I think it was this pin 5 was the only one that was doing anything. I wasn't really getting much counter rotation out of him, but maybe a little bit. Let's see what's in this guy. So, Tumbl3r, you make a pretty good lock. Sorry it took so long to get this on camera. I hope you're having fun with the stuff I sent you. Alright. So it is a 5-pin lock, and it does have threading on the chambers. That's always good. Alright, so chamber 4 is not threaded, just the rest. Alright, we'll see what's on the insides. Okay. Oh shoot. Cool stuff. I almost lost that one. Alright, so this looks like a homemade pin there. One day I'll invest in better tweezers. These are kind of homemade pinning tweezers. I just took some material off here, but not quite enough. Oh, okay, so number 4 was all normal. And then the rest of the chambers have all these similar. I believe the Bible's intact. Doesn't look like that was tampered with. Alright, so standard key pins, and then the drivers just have a lot of material taken off here. Doesn't focus too well. Alright, so there is a lot of material taken off, especially right at the top there. That's very thin. So everything was picked. I think this was the last one that was holding me up. Alright, so that one's especially nasty. It has a pretty deep serration in there. Perhaps it was kind of stuck on the threads because that's extremely sharp. Sharper than the other ones, although the other ones are pretty damn sharp too. Alright, well I guess because that was the only thing left over, all my tension was kind of holding that one in place. Alright, thanks again Tumbl3r. For anybody out there who doesn't subscribe to his channel, should go over there and subscribe. He's got a lot of higher security locks than what I am, usually working on. He has a lot of Medico stuff, but that he seems to do better than anybody I know. Alright, and here's the plug. It was a very, very inexpensive lock, very inexpensive, but he managed to turn it into a pretty challenging lock. Alright, thanks for watching, and happy picking.